Welcome back, everyone. I got another episode for you on Test It Ralph. Today we're going to be upgrading the grill on my 2018 Honda Accord Sport from this right here. It's the black chrome look, which looks nice, but it is horrible to maintain. Guys, like I clean this like 3 or 4 times a day. It just gets water stains, bug stains. It's just a nightmare to keep up with. So I'm going to be upgrading it to this OEM black, all black grill. I believe it comes in the Honda Touring. It looks awesome. It does look amazing. I know on the OEM one, this part right here is actually chrome. I got the all black edition. Hopefully it looks amazing, which I know it is. And then it's going to be replacing, I'm going to be taking that Honda, the symbol badge, and I'm going to be painting it black to match all blackout theme on the car. Change it up, be a little bit different from everyone else, because everyone I've seen has been putting the black overlay on the grill. It looks nice, but just want to switch it up a little and take you guys along with me and show you how it's done, because there's really not that much content out there on how to replace your Honda Accord grill. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do to get this OEM grill off is we're gonna go ahead and remove these little pins right here. We have 3 right here, 1, 2, 3. Also, we have right along the front of the grill all these pins, and also on the passenger side we're gonna have 3 more pins that we're gonna go ahead and remove. After we've removed those, the front part of the grill should lean forward, and then we can go ahead and go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the tripod, and we're gonna go record this on a quick time lapse. Alright guys, so all the pins are removed. Okay, that's what it's gonna look like. Now, on the back side of the grill, right here, alright, we're gonna have some notches holding in this chrome grill, front grill right here. Alright, so it's gonna be little wedges. Once I take it off, I'll demonstrate on video what they look like. And there's gonna be 3. There's gonna be 1 on each end of the grill, 1 in the center. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and assemble the new grill. I had to take the hardware, 4 bolts out of the old grill right here to go ahead and assemble this one, because it did not come with the hardware to assemble it. So you have to reuse your original hardware. Alright, so the way it works, I'm going to go ahead and flip your grill. Eyelid part, just go ahead and place it into place like this. guys, so that's the finished assembled product. Look at that. I just love the look. It looks so much better right now, especially not having to worry about cleaning it all the time because of the water stains or bug stains.